Hey kids, this is another one of my most excellent videos recorded with my $79 Kodak ZI-8. It's about pedal boards and a toolbox pedal board for those that need a small pedal board that doesn't need more than 6 pedals, or like in my case 5, and here they are, or maybe for those that aren't smart enough or coordinated enough to handle more pedals than that. I came up with this idea when I was looking at these toolboxes a few years ago. So here it is. It's just, the regular old toolbox you can buy at the hardware store for a couple of bucks, and I put on these little corners, those are readily available and it's cheap. So anyway, this baby is about 19 inches and the pedal board is about 18 inches. And so you open up this guy like that, and all I did was I just took out the top tray that came in and I screwed a couple little, I don't know if they're 1x1s, they're not even 1x1. Anyway, a couple little 1x1s in through the side there. And then you have all that extra space down there to put cables and cords and straps, and it works really great. And the thing just drops in there like that. And I put a little bit of foam in the top there. And you can just shut that sucker up. And what do you know? You're ready to go to the gig. So, just thought I'd share that because I found it pretty helpful for me. I also made another one with a smaller case that only has maximum 4 pedals that I use at church, and that's it down there. Same toolbox, only this shorter one. So anyway, there you have it. Another one of my most excellent videos, with my Kodak $79 ZI-8. Over and out.